want to learn transactional analysis. TA is a psychotherapy that helps us understand ourselves, how we develop, how we behave, and how we interact with others. This course is designed for mental health professionals, so anyone working in a therapeutic context that wants to apply transactional analysis to what they already do, or for anyone who's looking for a bit more personal insight, who wants to understand themselves better, that wants to get into the theory of TA and how it might explain some of the way we work internally and help us change our own personal lives. Either way, there'll be plenty in this course for you. Transactional analysis looks at the values that we adopt from childhood and how they might be affecting us today, both in how we see ourselves and how we interact with others. So for example, maybe our parents told us that people couldn't be trusted, and today we find it really difficult to adopt close relationships and form close relationships with others. Transactional analysis gives us the tools we need to help understand what's going on and make positive changes in our lives or in the lives of our clients. Eric Berne, the creator of TA, was a big believer in using everyday language to explain concepts. So you may well have heard of a lot of the transactional analysis vocabulary, such as parent-adult-child model, games, strokes, rackets, and a whole host of other terms, all of which will be covered in this course. As well as learning the core theory and the core concepts, we'll also look at the techniques used by TA practitioners, how to apply those into a course of therapy. So if we're going to sit down with a client over 8 weeks, what are we going to do over that time? And we're going to apply it to a range of problems. So how do we take the tool set that transactional analysis gives us and apply it to things like anxiety, relationships, etc. We'll learn through a whole host of mediums, so we'll have videos, readings, quizzes, exercises, so that whichever way you learn best, there will be something in this course for you. I'm Chris, I'm a psychologist and member of the British Psychological Society. I'm the co-founder of the Leeds Anxiety Clinic and the author of the book, Do More, Worry Less. I've already taught tens of thousands of students on my online courses, and I would love for you to be the next one. So if all that sounds exciting, then hit the buy now button to get started. I can't wait to see you inside the course.